Hi there, my name is Leslie Picanew. I work here at Juvly Aesthetics as a Master Aesthetician. Today we will be talking a little bit about dermaplane and what kind of client it's good for and when you should come in to get it done. What I'm doing now is I'm actually putting an alcohol acetone prepping solution on the skin, because for dermaplane it is very important to get the skin super dry and to get all the oils off, otherwise your blade could potentially stick and that could cause you to cut somebody. Dermaplane is basically a highly effective physical exfoliation of the skin. What dermaplane does is we use a very fine, thin blade and we use it parallel to the face, and it's going to remove any epidermal cells that are going to be sitting dead on the face, which we have a lot of, and it will also remove any peach fuzz on the face as well. So it gives you that nice smooth feeling after having a dermaplane.
Does it hurt?
It does not hurt. It might feel, I usually tell people this is really weird, that it feels like a cat licking your face because it's kind of rough and feels a little sandpapery like. One big question that a lot of my clients ask me about is, will my hair grow back darker and thicker? No, that is an absolute myth. It will not. Hair will only grow back darker and thicker on your face and your skin, basically with age and with estrogen production in the body, or weight gain. So you will not have a darker or thicker hair growing on your face after we get rid of any peach fuzz. This will come back normally on the skin, and it might feel a little weird after having it done, but I dermaplane my face all the time and it never looks abnormal, so it's not something to be worried about.
Yeah, I love how after this my skin is always so soft.
Yeah, absolutely. When you get rid of all the hair on the face that's normally there, your skin's gonna open up and your pores are gonna be a little more open too. It kind of helps with the penetration of products, which is really a nice benefit from dermaplaning as well.
Makes makeup go on smooth too.
Very much so. A lot of my esthetician friends love dermaplaning simply for the fact that it makes it much easier to put on your foundation in the mornings. So for dermaplane, it is absolutely okay for any client to have it. The only kind of client I would say to avoid it would probably be someone who has cystic acne, just because you don't want to be using a fine blade over lots of pustules or pimples on the face. Something awesome about dermaplane is that it removes all of that peach fuzz like we talked about and gets rid of all those dead cells. So the best part about that is that you can add a chemical peel on after using dermaplane, and that's going to help the penetration of products, and it's going to give you a much better result. For dermaplane, downtime is very minimal, if anything. You might be just a little bit red and sensitive after leaving here, but you can expect to be totally normal after about 5 minutes. About the only downside that you get with dermaplane would be that it does dry the skin out a little bit, but that's only because we're removing everything. Your face is not going to be used to not having all of that fuzz there, so it'll immediately dry up. The only thing you need to do is make sure you put on lots of moisturizer and you'll be fine. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was informative enough for you. And if you would like any more information about services that we provide here or any consultation that you would like to book with us, you can go to juvly.com.